Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the system permission for floating windows. First, make sure your Tecno Spark 20C is charged and updated. Once done, open Settings and go to Apps. From Apps, select Special Access and tap Floating Window. You must locate the specific app you want to allow because Android controls this per app. Grant the toggle for that app so it can appear above others. This permission allows the small preview window to overlay your current screen when triggered. Now open the app you enabled and bring up recent apps by swiping up or tapping the navigation button. Tap the app's top icon and choose Floating Window. On some builds, it appears under Split/Pop-up View. Once the small window appears, drag its corners or edges to resize and move it to a convenient corner, because positioning affects usability. You can also tap any in-window controls to pause or close. Make sure multitasking gestures don't finish by testing interactions. Swipe inside the floating window to use the app, tap outside to keep it open, and use the close handle to dismiss. If the window fails to appear, restart the app and re-enable the floating permission. This often resolves cached permission issues. If still blocked, check battery saver or memory cleaner exclusions because aggressive optimizers kill overlay apps. Finally, update your phone and the app. Once updated, the floating window will behave more reliably and integrate with multitasking as expected.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.